Today's video is brought to you by our good friends over at Nationwide Industries, the Fence Pros' #1 choice. And they are this Fence Pros' #1 choice for a couple reasons. One, we love using their Keystone Traverse latches. They're easy to install. You simply bolt them onto the post. No drilling for rods or cutting the rods required. It's a pretty straightforward installation process. We also love using their full line of galvanized hardware. It shows up quickly and reliably.
What is up, everybody? Today's video is titled How to Hang Christmas Lights on a Fence. We figured 'tis the season for a holiday-themed reaction video that pertains to fencing. The video is by Christmas on Crestline, more than likely the authority on this subject. If you'd like to watch the entire video without my commentary, we'll link the full-length video in the description below. Now, we're jumping a little bit into the future on this video. He talks about garage selling a little bit in the beginning, what to look for and avoid when buying Christmas lights or specifically clips. So we'll jump right into it when he's talking about the exact clip you need to install Christmas lights on a fence.
If you want a quick fix just to keep your line straight, the thing you need to look for at your garage sales, at your estate sales, are your large office binders.
Nice. Heavy-duty paperclip. Office binder, I guess, is what they're called in some parts of the country. So it looks like, obviously, he's attaching it to a privacy fence. 1 inch makes sense. Pickets are typically 1 inch nominal, which, depending on where you find them, they're going to be anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, kind of how a 2x4 is 1.5 inches by 3.5 most places. A picket's going to be a 1 inch nominal picket's going to be anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, typically like that 5/8 to 3/4 round. So 1 inch clip would work really nicely on it.
These things you can find them at Target, you can find them at Walmart, you can find them at Office Depot, you can find them everywhere. But if you're going to a garage sale, going to an estate sale, and you see these large binder clips, snatch them up. These things for a dozen cost me $4 and some change for a dozen. I got these at an office supply store. Now these are the large binder clips. Some stores have large binder clips that are about half this size. These are the 1 inch and they fit perfectly right on top of here. The reason why large binder clips are something you need to look for at your garage sales and your estate sales is because, number one, they're there. And number two, they hold this thing tight. Wind's not gonna get to them. Yeah, they're just not gonna go anywhere. The large binder clips are gonna keep your light string from any wind. It's gonna keep it from, if you have a branch, it's gonna rub on it a little bit. That's not going to knock anything down. These large binder clips are tight and they're secure, and they're going to keep that thing from moving. They are an absolute ideal thing to pick up for $1 or for even $1, whatever you get them for at a garage sale. Be mindful when you're at the garage sale and you see the different types of clips there, because you're going to find them, especially at estate sales. There is a humongous difference between these sizes, and like I said, they are both advertised as being large. When I bought them new in box, be right back. When I bought them new in box. So there is a difference. These fit perfectly on the fence. This does not, and I'll throw up a video here of that here in a second. Probably up now. The other thing you need to be mindful of when you go to these garage sales and you go to these estate sales, you'll see the cords and cords and cords.
Makes sense. So you want to make sure it's a 1 inch clip, not necessarily a large clip. Make sure it's a 1 inch clip. The gentleman goes on to talk about how to turn Christmas lights into extension cords, which probably isn't relevant to this particular video. Thought you guys would find this interesting. If you're looking for ways to spruce up your privacy fence this season, check out 1 inch paper clips. If you'd like to watch more reaction videos, be sure to follow the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. For now, I'm Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.